Introduction to OOPS and C++ self-assessment round 1, and this is the last assessment. What is diamond problem in C++? Diamond problem in C++, when a class inherited from the two base classes and those two base classes have the same base class, it is a superclass. So this will cause the diamond problem. How? Here explanation. The derived class have two base classes and two base classes have the same superclass. So if we call any function from the superclass reference, for reference, it will have multiple references. It will have reference through the one base class and it will have the reference to another base class as well. So because both base classes inherited from the same superclass, this causes the diamond problem. I will explain it with the example. Here, game entity class is a derived class. It is derived from the physics object and render object base classes. These base classes too inherited from the game object superclass. Whenever game entity calls some function or variable from the game object class, because it is multiple inheritance, so it will have two references through the physics object class and render object class. So it will cause a problem, diamond problem. It will controller will confuse which reference it has to take, which value it has to take. This will be the diamond problem in the C++. Hope this is clear. Explain output of the program and why. Fortunately or unfortunately, this program is already covered in the previous assessment. I am explaining it again. Here, we created a class as a calculator and add class inherited from the calculator class. Here we have default constructor and custom constructor, and the default destructor and custom destructor. There is no such custom destructor because destructor have no parameters. Whether it is a object is created by default or by passing the variable, it will use only one default destructor. Whatever the object, how it will be created with parameters or without parameters, the destructor will be the default one only. The object will be whenever the object is destructed or deleted, it will call the only default destructor. The object might be created with parameter constructor with parameters or without parameters, but it will have only one default destructor whenever the object is deleted. So this is the error here, and this is also error here. In derived class also they created a syntax for custom destructor or parameter as destructor. This is the error. Hopefully we won't get any output. Or we'll check that one. Okay, you get it? Output we will see. Then another output. Here a destructor cannot have any parameters. Okay, clear? That's all. Thank you. In this assessment, there are two questions only. Hope I able to answer them. Thank you. Thank you.